come down to check the bottom dam, see how well it's sealing up. Maybe you can see this stick here. So it's only dropped about an inch, maybe 2 inches, the bottom of that stick to where the water is now. So that water crystals have definitely helped slow the leak down. But yeah, definitely going to have to get something a bit better than that. I didn't pay much for them, so I haven't really done much the last few days. Just been taking it easy as I wind down to work this week, going back to work. So I'd just like to thank, I've noticed I hit 100 subscribers. I'd just like to thank you all for watching and hanging around. Got a few projects this year, so I want to do the water bore. I think I am going to put over that side of the property. The water bore, going to put a bigger tank in. Hopefully remove that big old house tank and get it out of the way. Put a carport there. And I do want to move the carport that's there off the side of the shed here. And just sort of make a bit of a lean-to, give me a bit more area to work with. Yeah, just haven't been doing much, not enough to document anyways, just cleaning out drains and little jobs around the house before I go back to work. If I do anything in the next few days, I'll probably film it and show you whatever I'm up to, but yeah, I'm not really doing a whole lot the next few days, so yeah. It's humid, waiting on rain again. Feels like it's 150% humidity at the moment. It's ridiculous. It's good to see, like, ever since I took out all those black wattle saplings out, just how much all the native grass has bounced back. It's really good to see. It's also, they'll eventually help with erosion and that too. Yeah. Well, I just thought I'd give you a bit of an update. It's nothing really too exciting at the moment. Hopefully move that car on when I get home next break. Hopefully get enough for it. I can buy a little tow behind spray rig for the lawnmower for the ride on. And start getting rid of some of this shit. It's like clovers and, you know, just broadleaf, shit like that. Johnson grass is coming back. Horrible shit that is. So again, yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for everybody that's subscribed. And I'll see you next time.